everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to check in on my Project Panda and see how I'm doing. And I have a guest who's about ready to lay down. Can I show you real quick? It's a tiger. Okay, now lay down right here if you want to. Lay down. Yeah, lay down. Lay down, baby. You can lay there while I talk about my Project Panda items. So, anyway, let's get started. I'm just going to keep petting Tiger. The first thing in my Project Pan is my Trestique highlighter. And if you can see, it's done. I mean, I could dig parts out, but I'm not going to dig it out. So, now I didn't bring a pen. Oh, I have a pen. Alright, so we can mark that off. That one is done. At the end of the year, I'll tell you all the items I used up because I have everything on a list. So, that one is done. Next is my Clinique blush. I've not touched this. There's that much left. I never wear this. Oh, gosh. I don't know what to do. I'm going to mark it on my hand. It's still nice and creamy. Yeah, I need to use it. I need to use it. Grab a wipe. So yeah, I still have that one. I have not touched it since last month, and last month I didn't touch it since the month before, so I have got to make myself use that. Next, my Tarte gel eyeliner. That's where we finished it, and it's getting goopy now, so it's not performing. So it's time for it to go. I feel I got my money's worth out of this. Man, I used up some gel eyeliner, so I'm very pleased with that. It doesn't hurt my heart to throw that into the empties. So that one is gone. Next, my color wheel. I have focused on one color and one color only. And you can see it's this one right here. I'm using it as my bronzer. I tried that. That's a highlighter. I don't like this color. I don't like this color. I don't like those at all, and I'm not going to use them. There is some blush in here. I haven't even touched it, looks like. But I can foresee me using these in the fall. Those are pretty. I don't know. It's still working great, still performing great, so I'm going to keep using it. My Dior primer. I got all of it out that I could. That is empty, so that can go in my empties and taken off my list. Next, I have this Stellar primer. Just by feel, I think I have enough for maybe one or two more uses, so that will stay in, but it's almost done. And then my Tarte lipstick. I never did mark this, but I have been using this, and I have it on now. That's where I'm at. So it's getting used. I am using it, so just keep going with that. And then last is my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I still have that. I can't tell how much, but I think there's plenty in there. It's not going to run out real soon because you leaving? Okay, bye. It's not going to run out real soon because I mixed it because this one's a little dark for me. So I'm adding just one thing to my list. And I really need to go through my makeup and organize it again and see what I got, and maybe I'll do a video on that because I really feel like that's something I need to do. But I'm adding my ColourPop highlighter Super Shock in Lunch Money, and I already have pan on it. So since I used up the Trestique, I want to use this one up as well, or as much as possible. So let me add that. And there we go. So I am focusing on right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 products. That's good. I'm fine with that. And I used up 3 this month. So very good. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll see you next time.